Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of wavy frizzy hair. First, let's talk about washing. Begin by using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your scalp without stripping essential moisture. Focus on massaging the shampoo into your scalp for about 1 minute, then let the suds gently run down the length of your hair. Always rinse with cool or lukewarm water, as this helps to close the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. This simple step sets the foundation for beautiful, manageable waves. Next, conditioning is crucial for wavy, frizzy hair. After rinsing your shampoo, apply a rich, hydrating conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. This is where your hair needs the most moisture. While the conditioner is still in, gently detangle your hair using a wide-tooth comb or your fingers, working from the ends upwards. Allow the conditioner to sit for 3 to 5 minutes to deeply penetrate and nourish your strands, providing essential hydration. Now, let's define those beautiful waves. After conditioning, gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel. Apply a leave-in conditioner or a curl-defining cream evenly through your damp hair, from roots to ends. This step is vital for locking in moisture and combating frizz. Then, gently scrunch your hair upwards to encourage your natural wave pattern. For extra hold and definition, you can add a small amount of light hold gel or mousse. Finally, let's talk about drying and maintaining your gorgeous waves. The best approach is to air dry your hair whenever you can, as this significantly reduces frizz and heat damage. If you must use a blow dryer, always attach a diffuser and use it on a low heat and low speed setting. Gently cup sections of your hair in the diffuser. To protect your waves overnight, consider sleeping on a silk pillowcase or loosely pinning your hair up to preserve its shape and reduce friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.